How's it going, guys? I'm Dominik Webster from Martinsburg, West Virginia. I attended Drone Command Live because I needed to gain some insight for Part 107 and also how to run the drone business efficiently. I am very big on that, and I don't like wasting time. So I was watching a Part 107 study guide, and your ad came up. So I clicked the link, and I watched a 2-hour workshop, and I was shocked that it was free. I was just waiting and waiting for you guys to be advertising something, and I saw that the event, 3-day event, was 75% off. So I just jumped on the opportunity. I'm really thankful that I did that. Biggest takeaway from today's class is that I shouldn't be spending a lot of time in Part 107 training. I have been studying it for, I'd say, about 2 months now, and I've been putting it off because there's just a lot of information I've been cramming. So Damon really cleared that up for me. It kind of released some pressure off my shoulders a little bit, because I really thought that I needed to use that for my entire career for owning a drone business. What's great about attending this event virtually is that I could work around my schedule. I would love to come to Orlando to come watch the event live, but unfortunately it's not in the cards for me. So I really enjoyed both Diego and Damon. They have opposite professional careers, so I think that helps a lot, especially in marketing side that I was really unfamiliar with. But what I like to get someone who's on the fence of attending Drone Command Live is that to give it a chance. We're all skeptical about things that are too good to be true, but obviously here, I'm gaining a lot of information that is priceless, and so for $100, I think it's a no-brainer there. One of the most valuable lessons that I've learned is charging people. I had no idea what I should be charging people, because I've been doing some things around my area just to get my feet wet, but I can't charge anything. Legally, I can't, because I don't have the Part 107. So I've been gaining some customers, some clientele through that, and I have a few that are waiting for me to get this license, and joining this course has really cleared that up for me. But if I could describe Damon and Diego, is that they're both pretty funny. They don't shy away from the truth. I really respect the no sugarcoating. A lot of people can't take that very well. And I also like that Diego tends to say whatever is on his mind.